Unlock the full creative potential of artificial intelligence by learning how to infuse Leonardo AI with your very own unique visual style. Today, we're diving deep into Leonardo AI's powerful custom dataset training feature, a game-changer for anyone wanting to generate images that are not just good, but perfectly aligned with your specific needs and aesthetics. The first crucial step is to train your own AI model. Navigate to the AI training section and initiate the creation of a new model. This is where your personalized AI will be born. Next, prepare your dataset. This is the fuel for your custom model. Gather a collection of images that clearly represent the style, subject matter, or characters you want your AI to learn. The more consistent and relevant your dataset, the better your results will be. Once your dataset is uploaded, Leonardo AI will begin the training process. This can take some time, depending on the size and complexity of your dataset. Be patient, as this is where the magic truly happens. After training is complete, you'll find your custom model ready to use. Now, it's time to put your trained AI to work. Go to the image generation area and select your newly trained custom model. This tells Leonardo AI to use your specialized knowledge for its creations. Now, enter your prompt as you normally would. The key here is that your prompt will now be interpreted through the lens of your custom trained model. Observe the results. You'll see images that are uniquely tailored to your specifications, reflecting the distinct style and characteristics you taught the AI. From unique character designs to specialized product mockups, leveraging custom datasets in Leonardo AI opens up a world of possibilities for truly personalized and professional artwork. Experiment, refine, and create something extraordinary.